This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, carbon monoxide detector, oven, leveling jacks, slide-out, air conditioning, LP detector, smoke detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, water heater, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is 8,050 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.